This final semester for you brings a lot of different challenges that might be different from the rest of your academic years. The first thing I want to bring to your attention is that if you plan on graduating in the following semester, you must complete your graduation application. The graduation application is on WebAdvisor under Academic Planning. You must complete that and pay the $25 graduation fee in order to be considered for graduation in that next semester. That's something that's very, very important to do, and you'll probably be getting an email from your academic advisor about doing that. The other thing is that typically you've been able to go into WebAdvisor and choose your courses and be enrolled in them for the following semester. In the internship semester, if you are enrolling in internship, you must get a form called the Special Permission to Enroll in Classes. You will meet with your academic advisor at the scheduled time, hopefully before when seniors are getting advised, and you and your advisor will go through all of your current course evaluation and make sure that you are ready to take your internship. If your academic advisor and you agree that you will be ready to take your internship, meaning that you only have one or fewer classes left to take to graduate, then you will be given a special permission to enroll in classes from your academic advisor. You together will complete this semester in which you will take the internship course, your name and ID number, you will sign it and your academic advisor will sign it, and we know that you're an exercise science major, but go ahead and write that in anyway. You will be in EXSS 495, and then you get to choose how many credits you would like. You and your academic advisor will determine whether you're going to take an internship that is 9 credit hours, which means you will be required to do 350 hours of internship work, or 12 credit hours, which means that you will be doing 450 credit hours of work. Not credit hours, but hours of work. And it is important that you talk to your advisor about the number of credits you need, and you might also need to talk to financial aid. In order to be a full-time student, you need to have 12 credit hours that are going towards your graduation. So maybe you want to take a 9 credit hour internship and 3 credits of, let's say, medical terminology. Well, medical terminology isn't part of our degree, so it wouldn't be going to your degree. So if you have enough credits to graduate with 9 credits, and you choose to take that 3 credit hour class in medical terminology, unfortunately, you will not be given financial aid as a full-time student. So it's really important to talk to financial aid about what you need and how many credits you might want to take. Also, you're allowed to take one other academic course during your internship, but that doesn't mean you can't take a 12 credit hour internship, but you have to be very disciplined if you choose to take a 12 credit hour internship as well as an academic class. You will be able to enroll in any other academic class except for the internship. So let's say you still have to take 495 during your internship semester. After you meet with your academic advisor and they remove your hold, you can enroll in that 495 course, and you will need to give this special permission to enroll form to me or to the department secretary, who will give it to me by putting it in my box. Several of the advisors keep the forms and actually hand deliver them to me, which is also fine. But just make sure that at some point during academic advising time that you meet with your academic advisor, whether it be to sign up for the internship for the upcoming semester or just to sign up for classes. It is very, very important that the special permission to enroll in classes is done earlier rather than later, so you know that you're ready to go and that you will be ready to graduate in the upcoming semester. I know this is kind of confusing, and it's different than any other semester that you've had to do enrollment. So if you have any questions, feel free to stop by or send me an email, or stop by and talk to your academic advisor, who can help you with all of this process. Again, it's very different, so it can be confusing. I hope you're enjoying the very last part of your second to last semester maybe, and we'll talk soon.